CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.11 Given a scenario, configure relevant security settings in a browser. Browser settings. Before we wrap up our study of Domain 2, which is all about security, there is one more area worth exploring, and that is browser settings. Modern web browsers include a wide range of built-in security and privacy features, designed to help protect users while browsing the internet. Many of these settings work quietly in the background, but understanding what they do can significantly improve both security and the overall browsing experience. Let's begin with pop-up blockers. Most of you may already know what a pop-up is, but let's be thorough. In the context of a web browser, a pop-up is a small window that appears over the main browser window, often showing ads, notifications, or forms. While some pop-ups are useful, many are intrusive and can even pose security risks. This is where pop-up blockers come in. They prevent unwanted pop-ups from appearing, making your browsing experience less cluttered and more secure. When enabled, a pop-up blocker scans the page for scripts that try to generate pop-ups and stops them from appearing. You can also adjust your settings to allow pop-ups from trusted websites, ensuring that you don't miss important prompts or notifications when needed. Closely related to pop-up blockers are ad blockers. While pop-up blockers target separate windows, ad blockers focus on advertisements embedded directly into web pages. Ad blockers can improve browsing speed, reduce distractions, and help protect users from malicious advertisements. By filtering out unwanted advertising content, ad blockers can improve both security and privacy. However, it is important to remember that many websites rely on advertising revenue to operate. Some sites may limit access if they detect ad blockers being used. Because of this, some users choose to allow ads on trusted websites they wish to support. As you continue browsing, your browser collects information like your history, cookies, and form data. This can be useful, as it makes browsing more convenient, like autofilling forms or remembering login details. However, storing this data can be risky, especially on shared or public computers, as it could expose sensitive information. Clearing browsing data removes this stored information, reducing the chances of someone else accessing it. Doing this regularly is a good habit to protect your privacy and keep your browser running smoothly. While browsing data includes things like history and cookies, the cache is another important piece of the puzzle. The cache is essentially a temporary storage space where your browser saves copies of websites, images, and other resources to make future visits faster. But over time, cached data can become outdated, causing websites to load incorrectly or even creating security risks if sensitive data is cached. Clearing your cache ensures you're seeing the most up-to-date content and minimizes potential privacy risks. It also frees up storage space, which can improve your device's performance. If you want to prevent your browser from saving any history or data during a session, private browsing mode is the way to go. Also known as incognito mode, this feature stops your browser from storing history, cookies, or temporary files while you browse. This is useful for sensitive activities, like logging into a bank account on a shared computer, since no traces are left behind after you close the session. Keep in mind, though, that private browsing only prevents local tracking. It won't stop your network administrator or internet service provider from seeing your activity. Another common browser feature is sign-in and browser data synchronization. Modern browsers often allow users to sign in with an account and synchronize data such as bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, open tabs, and browser settings across multiple devices. This provides convenience by allowing users to move seamlessly between computers, tablets, and smartphones while keeping the same browsing environment. Of course, synchronization also introduces risk. If an attacker gains access to the user's browser account, they may potentially gain access to synchronized passwords, browsing history, and other sensitive information across every connected device. This is why strong passwords and multi-factor authentication are especially important for browser accounts. Next up, we have proxy settings. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between a user's device and the internet. Instead of connecting directly to websites, requests are first sent to the proxy server, which then forwards the request on behalf of the user. Proxies can serve several purposes, including content filtering, monitoring internet usage, improving privacy, and controlling access to websites. In business environments, organizations often use proxy servers to enforce acceptable use policies or inspect outbound traffic for security concerns. Some users also use proxies to help obscure their IP addresses or filter internet content. Finally, let's discuss secure DNS. Normally, traditional DNS requests are sent across networks in plain text, meaning attackers may potentially intercept or manipulate them. Secure DNS improves security by encrypting DNS requests, helping protect users from DNS spoofing, monitoring, and certain types of redirection attacks. Modern browsers may support technologies such as DNS over HTTPS, which encrypts DNS traffic using secure HTTPS connections. This helps improve both privacy and security while browsing the internet. Instead of broadcasting every website lookup across the network in clear text, secure DNS helps keep those requests protected from prying eyes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.